In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your products and services to QuickBooks Online. Getting your items set up properly in QuickBooks Online makes invoicing faster, keeps your books consistent, and helps your reports make sense. We'll walk through creating a new item from start to finish, and I'll share simple tips along the way to keep everything clean and easy to use. Start on your QuickBooks Online home screen. In the search bar at the top, type the word product. This is a quick way to jump right to the tools you need without digging through menus. From the results that appear, choose products and services. This opens your item list, which is the catalog of everything you sell, both goods you deliver and services you provide. You'll use these items on invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, so it's worth setting them up clearly now. Next, click Create Item. Depending on your view, this might simply say New. This opens the item details panel where you'll add the key information. Begin by typing the name. Pick a clear, customer-friendly name that makes sense on an invoice. If you use internal codes, you can include them, but keep the name readable. Consistent naming, like website design, standard package, or t-shirt, blue large, makes searching and reporting much easier later. Now select the item type. Choose service if you deliver time or expertise like consulting or repairs. Choose product if you sell a physical good. Picking the right type helps QuickBooks place the item correctly on forms and in your reports. If you're unsure, think about whether customers receive your time or a tangible thing. Add a description if you'd like. This shows on your customer-facing documents. Use this space to clarify what's included, any scope notes, or simple details that help your customer understand the charge. Keep it concise. You can always tweak the description on a specific invoice when needed. Enter the price. If it's a fixed price item, add the standard rate so QuickBooks fills it in automatically. If your pricing varies, you can leave this blank and set the amount each time you create a sale. Avoid adding tax in the price field. Taxes are handled separately on the form. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. Your new item is now part of your catalog and ready to use. The next time you create an invoice or estimate, start typing the name and select it from the list. Repeat this process to add the rest of your products and services, keeping names consistent and descriptions helpful. With a well-organized item list, you'll speed up billing and keep your financials accurate with far less effort.